Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of some stovetop yum yum. Today we are making Cuban style Ropa Vieja with a very simple and delicious side salad. And you don't want to miss it. This episode starts right now. I'm glad you're all back, and as I mentioned, today's episode we're making some Cuban style Ropa Vieja with a very simple salad. So let's go over to the ingredients and check them out. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for our simple Cuban style Ropa Vieja. We've got a tablespoon of tomato paste. We have a teaspoon and a quarter of salt. We have a teaspoon of black pepper. We have combined here a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have a bay leaf. We have 2 large cloves of garlic. We have some dry oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, and we have a teaspoon and a quarter of paprika. And we also have a teaspoon of some chicken base in a powder, We also have here half a medium onion. And the bell peppers I'm using today are green and red. We have half of each. And here, you guys, we have our beautiful shredded flank steak. That's right, flank steak. What I did was I pressure cooked the piece of flank steak for 15 minutes. Like I always say, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you guys, boil it for about at least an hour and 15 minutes. And following these ingredients, I'm going to show you how to shred once your piece of flank steak is cooled off on a plate. I'm going to show you how to shred it. And we shred our flank steak. So remember, you want to hold it, you want to cool it down for a second, and you just want to grab a fork, and you don't want to shred it too thin, you guys, because it's going to be too dry if you shred it too thin. So this is all I'm doing here, just shredding it here with a fork. And once you're done with that, then we will add our ingredients. I just wanted to show you how to shred your piece of flank steak. Hey guys, I'm back and we are at the stove. I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my pot. Or onions. Oh my God, I love that sizzle. Woo! Now we're going to drop our green peppers. This is so easy to make. So easy to make. We're going to drop our teaspoon and a quarter of salt, you guys. Black pepper. We've got onion powder and garlic powder. We've got a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon and a quarter of red pepper, paprika. I've got my teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. And we are going to stir this up. Oh my God, this instantly starts to smell good, you guys. Okay guys, now I am going to add my 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. 2 cloves of fresh garlic. We're going to let this sweat for a little bit, for probably about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add our teaspoon of tomato paste. I don't like to overdo it with the tomato paste because tomato paste is concentrated. It makes your dish richer. So it can overpower your dish, too much tomato paste. So 1 teaspoon is enough. And then we'll go ahead and add water. We'll add some water so we can create our sauce. So when I come back, you guys, I'll have some water in there, the tomato paste, and you guys, oh my God, does it smell delicious and how easy this is to make. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Look at that. I put a quarter cup of water in here with a teaspoon of tomato paste. Oh my God, this just smells delicious. One last ingredient I forgot to mention is we're going to throw in a bay leaf. Let's put a bay leaf in there. It's such a delicious earthy flavor. You want to be careful though, you guys, because bay leaves are dry, so you don't want to like really stir it in the pot too hard because you don't want to crumble it down and have little tiny pieces of bay leaf in your food. All right, so now that we've got this done, look at how easy this is, you guys. I mean, this is really not a complicated dish. I mean, the only time-consuming part, if you don't have a pressure cooker, is to get your flank steak to be boiling for at least an hour and 10 minutes. Oh my God, this is delicious. This is like so quick and so easy. So let's grab our shredded beef right here, which I previously showed you how to safely shred it. And remember, like I mentioned, you guys, don't shred it too thin because it will dry your meat out. You don't want to do that, okay? So let's stir this now. Oh my God, look at this. Please let me give you a close-up. Before I do that, I'm going to lower my heat to a high-low, you guys. So it's 2 after low, remember. So let me come over here real quick and give you a close-up of this. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. It's just so delicious and so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. I love it. Oh, you guys are going to love this, and it's so easy to make. For 1 second, and I'm simmering my meat, and I apologize. There's one thing I forgot, are 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Very important. So we're going to make our salad now. So what you're going to want to do is we're going to use some very thinly sliced cabbage. So here's the secret, you guys. We have this beautiful Haas avocado. Wow. Now a secret I have to getting rid of this middle seed is carefully just dab it, turn it, and the seed comes right out, you guys. It's pretty cool. So since my husband's not coming home for dinner, I'm going to work in a little while. He's not coming home for dinner for another few hours. I'm not going to throw this seed away. I'm going to leave this seed inside my salad so my avocado doesn't brown. That's a very good tip. So let's put that there. Now another little secret is I'm going to slice my avocados. I'm going to do 3. I'm sorry, I didn't show you that right. I'm going to do 3 slices going this way, and then we're going to cube it up on the opposite direction like this. Another good tip. So I cut it all up. And now, guys, I'm going to grab my spoon and I'm going to scoop it all out, and we are going to put it in our pan, in our container where our salad is. Got that one little baby piece. So look at that. So now we have our avocado pieces, 1/2 done. There you go. And now I'm going to do the next one. Okay, so we're going to save. For right now, we're going to save our seed to keep it in the salad. So when it's in the fridge and my husband gets home, the avocado won't be brown, like I said before. So that's a super duper tip. Here we go. Look at that. Now the secret to this simple salad is we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Always remember the ratio of vinegar and oil is always more oil than vinegar. Always. So we're going to use white distilled vinegar. That's what I use. White distilled vinegar. I'm going to grab a little bit of that. About probably half a tablespoon, I'm sorry. Perfect, right there. Half a tablespoon. Got our salt. We're going to use a teaspoon of salt. And we are going to use a teaspoon and a little bit of pepper. You can eyeball it. Depends how much pepper you like. And now, carefully, you don't want to mash your avocados, you guys. We don't want to mash them. So I'm going to use my little tongs to shake this up. Let's see. I'm back and we're ready to plate and taste. I bet you guys didn't think that this recipe was going to be so simple, but yet it is. And it's so, so, so delicious. So I'm going to grab myself some fluffy rice, a small little taste. Look at this. Oh my God. I don't have any fresh herbs today, and that's okay. We don't need any. This is such a tasty dish. We have all the ingredients in here. Keep in mind, you guys, that I forgot to mention, when you put your tomato paste away in the fridge in that cute little container that I have, that tomato paste is not going to last in your fridge more than 3 days. And believe me, the container will let you know. So when it comes to tomatoes and potatoes, even in the refrigerator, it won't last long. Just to let you know, so. All right, let's grab some of this delicious Ropa Vieja. Oh my God. What the heck? Oh my Lord. Oh my God. This is beautiful. My God, you guys, this is so freaking beautiful. Let me just move this a little bit here so we can get some of our avocados. Now we're going to get some salad, a little bit of salad. Let's get some salad with some avocado, just a little taste. I got 2 avocados there. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. Look at that Ropa Vieja right there. Look how beautiful that shredded beef is. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, my heart's beating fast and my mouth is so watery right now. All right. Also keep in mind with shredded beef, don't put big spoonfuls in your mouth of shredded beef. You know, shredded beef, you don't want to put humongous mouthfuls in there because, especially with kids and stuff, because you can, I mean, not easily, if you eat this properly, you won't, but if you put big chunks of this, you can choke on this. You got to be really careful because it's shredded beef, so there's large amounts. So let's grab an avocado, grab some of my things, some of my salad. Oh my God, look at the size of this bite. My mouth is watering. So let's taste this delicious Cuban Ropa Vieja with my simple salad that you will not be able to put down. Here goes nothing. Yum. Oh my God. Dear God, hold on a second. Oh my God. You can taste the vinegar. All my sofrito spices. The meat is juicy because I did not shred it too thin. It'll dry out if you shred it too thin. Oh, the vinegar in that salad and those Haas avocados. You guys know I have to go for a double take just to make sure. All right, so let's do it again. And my other little piece of Haas right there. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. This is so delicious. Oh, my God. You have to chew it well when you're eating it. Okay, you guys. So this was a simple dish. It was easier than most of you expected. So remember, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you already subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video come out. Wow, today's been a great day. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will see you guys later.